development of supply chain, a traditional type and a modern type, we could know that the traditional type, including the raw material suppliers, manufacturers, channel operators, and consumers. The typical supply chain, including so many people that take a lot in the cost part. On the contrary, the modern type of the supply chain, we could take a lot in the cost part, cut a lot of channel operators well the platform of the internet. Thanks for all of this, we could directly connect the manufacturer and the end of the consumers together instead of the channel operators. The logistic information flows and the cash flows could be more directly and conscious. We can know that the successful of Taobao, the end of the supply chain, make the biggest contribution to it, and the most important core of the point. Supply chain contributes the most. And the typical supply chain process including many parts, and we know that all the connection of the supply chain processes is money, the cost, which including the material costs and the manufacturer costs, whatever its inventory costs. Similar to the traditional one, and the modern type of the supply chain contain all the part of traditional one. But it would take the internet into the supply chain, which would cut a big deal of cost of unnecessary part of the supply chain. And when the way of connection become less and less, the cost would reduce as well. And the type of the modern of the supply chain is different. The modern of the traditional supply chain management, the manufacturing would use the logistic to deliver the product to consumers to anti the disadvantages of transportation in the space and time. And the effect of the influence of the internet, the selling, logistic, and its storage deliver as well is aiming at the order of consumers. And the use of money is more efficient. No matter how large the company could be, there would always the exchange between the material and the money. And the supply chain net could save a lot of money and the time for the company. Thank you very much. That's all.